Alright, so this is going to be a quick one, then we'll get out ripping. Just got the collar replaced from the last bash session. Should be real fast. Let me get set up. We'll get ready. Anyways, so the EC30B is ready to roll. We'll get that outside. Also, we did another upgrade with all the orders we got in recently. This is the Piranha. We upgraded the shocks to the purple oil filled, and I'm not sure if you noticed that, but there is a new 60 amp brushed ESC that I got for, it's either $13 or $16. That shipped, and I had to swap the servo out. Luckily I had a bunch that didn't fit into my WLs and EATs and my new one. So we're going to test this out with a 60 amp ESC stock motor, and we'll hook the Dumbo onto it. Anyways, go outside and rip them. Alright, so we got our upgraded Piranha with the new ESC and the Dumbo hooked up. We got the two Eachines running. The EC30's got the upgraded motor, so they should be very similar. And then we're going to be running the HBX. How's the steering?
It's fine.
Remind me to get the celery and the carrots for the goats when we're done. Is your steer messed up? Is it just not turning under load? Earlier, got a little cold. My daughter went in, so we're gonna rip these Eachines one at a time. We'll start with the EC30, and then we'll do the B. This one's got the 2435 hobby fan with the Ghoul RC 35 amp 2.3 S LiPo in it, or 2.3 S ESC in it. Now this is running on a lithium ion, the stock battery that comes with these. Nothing fancy. It's cold out, so I just grabbed what I had charged. I started the outside of the track. I haven't really been talking about it. I got some more railroad ties that I'm gonna like I was saying, I got some more railroad ties to put around the outside and figure out how I want the track laid out. But I think this looks pretty good. We run it with trucks, and I don't know, I gotta get It's a work in progress. It's kind of cold out still. Upstate's funny. Now it's a 45 kV motor, so it does have trouble starting sometimes in the high grass. It's a little ripper though. I'll be able to compare it to the 30B and see how close they are, because it's got a very similar motor. It's got the cheaper, it's got the non-metal dog bones on this one, and the more toy grade wheel mounts, kind of like the A95WL. I don't know, she's a little ripper though. She's going right through the grass like it's not there. Hopefully this footage is coming out. I'm just kind of winging it. It's nice to have a sunny day. Oop. But the plan is to wrap this around this way, back around, and then a hook, and then figure out jumps. Or obstacles, I should say. I don't know, I dig it. My end will be hoping that you land right about where the car is there. I'll get the jump the right height, and then you have a quick turn. And then you'll be going underneath. I don't know, I haven't decided if I'm going to rip the grass up or just let it naturally get ripped. Because I got a feeling mostly what grows under here is moss anyway, with all the talpa trees and the black walnut. It's cold out, so I don't know how long these batteries are going to last. I'm not even full throttle in this. I'm barely quarter throttle just to keep control. Anyway, we'll go grab the EC30B so we can do a comparison. The only other upgrade they did to this is the shocks were really bad, so I went with some other frickin' shocks I had that hold oil. But this thing's pretty nice. Comparable to the 30B, and the HBXs are awesome. So anyways, let's get the other one. He's still got a little more pop than the other guy. Okay, this one doesn't mount so good. Alright. We'll take these to the skate park after the holiday. It definitely handles the grass a lot better. It's probably the KV of the motor. Probably a little more torquey than that hobby fan. Definitely sounds like it works harder. But neither of these I'm full throttling. I'm not sure how much that matters. Hopefully soon we can get spring cleaning, get the yard picked up, get this track finished. She's sweet, man. I dig it. Now I seen these are gone up in price. I don't know if that's inflation or deflation, whatever you want to call it, or availability. But man, you can't break them, so it's perfect for beginners or something to bring with you to in your backpack. Or these are my skate park guys, man. They handle it. The WLs I break every freaking time. But she's sweet. Oh, yeah, I think a higher or a lower KV would make that other one better, but I think the EC30 I can't believe I got the speed I got out of it. I'll have to do a speed run on this. I don't think I've done one yet. See if it hits 30. I'm hoping it does. It's close to it. So we're also going to do a bigger dirt track once we work the ground and get our house plants in, our house vegetables. Out back here, see that edge where that wood pile is? Backyard's beautiful. So that section here and there on the back side of the fenced area, we're gonna be doing a vegetable garden, and we'll probably make a bigger track for bigger cars or the 110s, you know, something a little faster. We'll see. That's dreams. That could take me another year or so. Plus, I don't have anything really to run on that other than the 110. So. But right now we're starting with this. I've only got about half hour to it at this point. I spent no time. It's too cold. Too cold, too cold. I really do love these things. I think she's holding up good. Time to get him to the skate park. So we're gonna probably take these little trucks to the skate park next time we go. I'm not sure how all the trucks are gonna be. The HPX is probably fine. The other one, I have a feeling the swing arm might be a little soft. These are bean rods. You can tell everywhere. Kicking rocks. Oh, don't hit the tractor. The tractor's gonna win. So, gotta get my yard cleaned up big time. Oh, lost the wheel. I guess it's telling me we're done. So, till next time, like and subscribe and all that. Thank you guys.